airplane as from KTLA photographer Paul Sanchez as he's giving us an aerial perspective to the devastation in the Palisades. Sky 5 unable to fly due to a temporary flight restriction put in place because President Biden is in town. But this is an incredible view of what it looks like from above.
Yeah, we will have more in terms of an aerial perspective, we believe, tomorrow once the sun comes up and we begin to get a good measure of the level of devastation here. But if you've been watching the coverage, you could deduce, frankly, dozens and dozens and dozens of homes in the Palisades area have been lost. The Palisades Village under siege tonight. Homes along PCH, along the beach, gone as well. One of two communities under siege tonight. Altadena struggling as well, as we saw moments ago. Entire neighborhoods burning, rows and rows of homes from a fire that is spread out of Eaton Canyon into the neighborhoods of Altadena. And case in point, we've got Jen live in that neighborhood.
This is the live shot there that we're showing you right now. We can see actually those flames are very, very close to where our position is right now. And you can see firefighters doing their very best to battle that particular part of the blaze. I think we can show you one more shot from a higher vantage point of the city, the whole Pacific Palisades area being evacuated, people being given not very much notice actually to leave their homes with a few possessions, just get away and get to safety. We're going to have a lot more on this throughout the morning, but for now, our LA correspondent Emma Vardy reports.
The fire exploded at astonishing speed. The combination of dry conditions and strong winds causing the fire's rapid spread. People evacuating began to leave their cars and escape on foot. Emergency services eventually bulldozed some 200 abandoned vehicles to clear the roads. The Pacific Palisades area is home to luxury properties and celebrity homes. At least 30,000 residents were told to leave.
My heart is in my throat, but we're okay as long as the firefighters said there's a ambulance to take us out. But this is like right at my doorstep.
We've been watching these huge plumes of smoke rising and the flames flickering over the mountains behind us. Now, people in California are used to wildfires and strong winds at this time of year, but this one is more unusual because of how quickly it spread and the fact it's so close to a densely populated area.